Hello everyone, my name is Burage Nikita and today's date is 3 October 2024 and my topic name is why string is and the immutable in the Java. In a Java, the decision to make the string immutable that can be stems from the various technical and the design considerations aim to improving the performance and the security and the memory management. Here is more detail about the why the string is an immutable, that is and the more detailed breakdown of the reasons behind the immutability of the string. First is and the memory management or the memory efficiency and the string pooling. In the Java uses features called the string constant pool, which allows the JVM to optimize the memory use when you can create a string literal in the Java. For example, string s is equal to hello. Hello is and the inside the double quote. Then in that examples, the JVM checks if the string with the same value already exists in the pool. If it is and if it does, the existing references is and the return the rather than the creating a new object. If the string were immutable, changing the value of the string would also changes all other references to the string in the pool, leading the unpredictable and the erroneous of the behavior. If the S1 or S2 were the mutable and the changed, both references would be and point to be and changed string, causing the unintended consequences. So the second is and the thread safety. If the multi-threaded environments string objects are already heavily used, if the string were mutable, each threads working with the same string object would be and require careful synchronization to avoid conflicts and date inconsistencies. This could be and lead to complex code and performance overhead. Then the immutability ensure that once a string is created, if it can be and safely shared between the threads without worrying about data corruption. In this case, a string can be and shared without the synchronization because it is an immutable. Third is and the security. In the security, that can be many of the core Java operations such as the network connections, file paths, and the classes loading involves this use of the string. In the string, that can be also and used to provide and the sorting where the immutable changes of the value of the string after the validation could be and lead to a significant security risks. For instance, in the case of the class loading, in the classes name might be and changed after the validations loading to the leading to the loading of the malicious or the unattended classes. In the file path, string could be and the changed after the validation. It could be and point to be an different file, leading to be an security breaches or the vulnerabilities. In the fourth reason of the why string is an immutable is and the caching and performance optimization. When you can call the hash code on the string object, then the hash value is and computed to then the cached. If the string were and mutable, that hash code would be and need to be recalculated every time in the string value changed. In the string constant pool, that can be also this could be and degrade performances, and especially when the string are used as the keys in the collections like hash map or the hash set. In the string constant pool, that can be where and the hash set or the hash codes are the crucial for the operations like the lookups and the insertions. This optimization is only the possible because of the string are immutable and cannot be changes after the hash is and the computed. The another reason is and the string as a key in the hash based collections. In the string are also and used frequently, that can be also used to as the keys in the hash based collection. For examples, the hash map. In the hash map, that can be also the hash code of the key determines where the value will be and stored in the collections. In the string where and the mutable, then the hash code could be and changes after being added to the collections, making it is an impossible to locate the value associated with the key. In the string constant pool, that can be also if the key were the mutable and the changes, then the map lookups would be and fails. In the string constant pool, that can be also used to provide and the immutability ensures that the keys value and the hash code remain the constant and the guaranteeing consistent behavior in the hash based data structures. And that's all about the why string is an immutable in the Java. Thank you.